Ooh, do we have a treat to show you guys today? Do we have a treat to show you guys today? It has been a while since I reviewed an early sneaker. I try my best to review them with just so much sneakers that I go ahead and get and buy. It's kind of hard to go ahead and do it because I'm just always kind of behind for stuff. But these right here, shout out to the plug, you know who you are. I'll go ahead and as the video rolls, tap all your information in. These ones right here, I think are going to for sure be on everyone's top 5 list for Air Jordan 4s this year. And you know, the hits of these, Nike and Jordan Brand, the team over there, are definitely paying attention to the community because I feel like something like this we definitely love. And if you're really big into 4s, you're going to like these because today we're taking a look at the Air Jordan 4 in the Cave Stone color way. And the goodness, the quality to Nike Air, to craftsmanship on this one is really nice. Let's take an early look right now at the Air Jordan 4 Cave Stone. Let's go. Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy, it is your kid, Nefer. I hope you're having a great day, and I truly hope you're having a very, very blessed day. Happy Friday, everyone. Let me know how your Friday is going so far. As you can tell from the intro, as you can tell from the title, I'm excited for this one because we're taking a look at yet another sneaker review, but we're taking a look at an early review of a pair of sneakers that actually does not drop until next month, September 6th to be exact. So mark your calendars because for the sneaker that we're taking a look at today is an Air Jordan 4, and I think you guys are really going to like this one because, you know, I love the fact that Nike and Jordan Brand are paying attention to what the community wants in terms of different colorways. And this one right here is definitely, I feel they've been paying attention with just a whole bunch of stuff happening this year for 2025. We're gonna like this one because today, guys, we're taking a look at the Air Jordan 4 in the Cave Stone colorway. And man, this colorway right here looks nice. From the moment I saw these in hand, from mock-ups to actually seeing them in hand finally, these are really, really nice. So as you can see, I do have them right here. Shout out to the plug. I'll go ahead and drop his information all right there as we progress with the video. But before we take a look at these Air Jordan 4 Cave Stones, let's go ahead and give you guys your kudos. Let's go ahead and give you guys your shout outs because I would not be able to do this if it wasn't for you guys. So let's begin it. All right, so first and foremost, thank you guys for all the love and the support that you show. Seriously, this year alone, we have been doing a tremendous amount of support. Like, I want you to know, seriously, it means a lot. All the love and support that you show, it tremendously allows me to keep going and just keep staying more motivated and keep staying consistent. And this year, the goal is 10K. We just hit 8,000 like 2 days ago, and we're already at 8,000 like 60 people. So you guys, well, I want you to know I love you so much. So if you haven't already, definitely go ahead and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. That way, anytime I drop any short forms, any long forms, any up-to-date news on my posts, I want you to be alerted and notified because you guys, I want you guys to know, like, we're talking about sneakers here, so I want you to be in the loop and not miss out on anything. Also, if you want to go ahead and get featured like you see right here, again, all you got to do is comment down below and engage with the channel. You can tell me anything that you want to tell me. Actually, right now, what I want you guys to go ahead and actually comment, what was your favorite pickup so far for 2025? We have a lot of releases that came, and we still have a lot of releases that's still coming, and we just have a lot of things to go ahead and talk about this year, and I really want you guys to go ahead and be a part of that, like you see all these people right here. So if you want to get featured and you want to be part of that, comment down below for a chance for me to go ahead and manually select you to be a part. So now, with all that said, let's take a look at these Air Jordan 4 Cave Stones. Let's go. All right, guys, so here we go right here. This is the Air Jordan 4 Cave Stone. As you can go ahead and see right here, this is the box. Before I go ahead and talk about these, let me go ahead and give a shout out to the plug. You know exactly who you are, my boy. Thank you so much for allowing me to go ahead and get an early pair for these to bring for the channel because I like to go ahead and show you guys early reviews as best as I possibly can. And it's not always that I'm able to go ahead and get these. And for a shoe like this to come early, it helps you guys make your decisions in terms if you're gonna go ahead and buy it or not. But I feel like a lot of Air Jordan 4 connoisseurs are gonna like this one. So my boy, shout out to you. I'll go ahead and put his link in his description and his website and all his page information right here, as you can see right here. Go check him out. My boy, he works with you. He works with you for real. Thank you, my boy. All right, so with all of that said, as you can see right here, this is the box that does go ahead and come with. When you go ahead and grab it, you do go ahead and get a very nice pattern box, kind of like obviously that stone type of look. It has a Flight Jumpman right there, and you do have Flight in the signature, as you can see. As you look up all on the other side, you have the side description, which we'll go ahead and read right now. But the box of it is very nice. It kind of reminds me a little bit, just a teeny bit, of the Air Jordan. I have them right here, actually. The Taupe Haze box, just a teeny bit, not exactly, just a teeny bit, with all the different speckling, as you see right there. Man, I remember when those came out, love them to death. But as we go, we're gonna go ahead and read the size description right here. And it does go ahead and read Air Jordan 4 Retro Cave Stone Black Phantom. This is a size 11, and when it comes to 4s, I recommend going true to size. SKU code on this goes, go ahead and read FV5029200. And there isn't obviously a retail suggested price right here, but the price on these is going to be $220. So again, Jordan Brand is reaching in their bag in terms of when it comes to these shoes, because they know that, you know, for quality shoes like this, they put more money onto it. I think this now makes the second time this being a $220 shoe, because I think what the rare Air 4s that dropped this year was $220. So without further ado, let's go ahead and open up the lid right here. Don't want to waste too much of the time. When you open up, as you can see, you kind of get more of that nice clean look to it, kind of like that stone look. Like I said, you do go ahead and get a speckle of your tissue paper right here as you go ahead and pull this back. I did go ahead and tamper with these just a little bit, but I didn't obviously like review everything, so we did go ahead and you get more of a tissue paper. But when you bring these back right now in 3, 2, and 1, you get greeted with the Air Jordan 4 in the Cave Stone colorway. And I have to say, these are looking super, super immaculate. I will go ahead and kind of see where I feel they took the inspiration from it, but let's go ahead and pull out the other one right now. They are supposed to be individually wrapped. I did go ahead and take a little sneak peek at the left one, but for the right, as you see right here, let me go ahead and pull this back. You do go ahead and get individually wrapped right here. Let's go ahead and take that out nice and neat. Go ahead and put this right here for now, and that's exactly how they will go ahead and come when you first go ahead and get them. Let's go ahead and show the what do we want to go ahead and show? What do we want to go ahead and look at? I think we're gonna go ahead and take a look at let's take a look at the left right here. So check it out. So starting with the left, where I want to start with the bottom of the outsole. Starting with the bottom of the outsole, you do have a nice dark, it's dark brown, and it is kind of like that mocha type of color. You have Nike at the bottom of the outsole, like all your 4s come into, and it's done in that nice mocha brown colorway. Very nice. As you come up right here, you get hit with more of the dark right here. You get hit with more of the dark right there. Then you have your Air unit at the bottom right there, nice and clear. When you come up to the up ring, come up to the cage is done in a nice black netting. Then you have your flaps right there, very lovely. As you come to the front right here, you get hit with more of the quality of the toe box, and actually these are super, super, super nice. As you come up to the front, you go ahead and get hit with the laces. You get that cave stone lace right there, kind of that brownish lace. Then you come up, as you see right there, you do get hit with the patch, which is done in the Jumpman. It's nice and black right there. And then you do have Flight in the signature. When you come out to the bottom, not so much the bottom, excuse me, the tongue, it does go ahead and say Air Jordan. Let's go ahead and actually flip these over so you can go ahead and take a closer look. Right there, Air Jordan. And then the favorite part, my favorite part that they added for this shoe is when you look at the back of the heel, you do get Nike Air right there, and you do get it in that nice dark and brown colorway. Very nice, you know, I have to say, very, very nice. And like I was saying, Jordan Brand, the team over there, you guys are, I feel you guys are really paying attention to what the community would want, you know, whenever like certain sites and certain pages would be like, how would you like this concept? I feel like this is like a concept that was like back in the day, and the teams actually saw that and they finally have made it into something like this, which looks very, very nice. For sure, in my opinion, I think these are going to go. Obviously, you know, these kind of remind me just a teeny bit, not exactly, of the Air Jordan 4 taupe haze that we got back in the day, not too long ago. I want to say this is about, what, 3 years now that we got this? Very nice. You got the Jumpman. But this one right here is definitely selling out for sure. This is a nice one. I think a lot of you guys are gonna like this. They kind of remind me a little bit. This kind of mimics the friends and family pair of the Air Jordan 4 of the Travis Scott friends and family. And I think that's the reason why I feel like a lot of people are probably gonna go for this one, other than it being that neutral type of very nice vibe right there. But do let me know what you think about these. I'm really, really excited to actually have these a little bit early. I can't wait to put these on feet so you guys can go ahead and check them out. They don't come with any extra laces. I think it'd be kind of cool that they will come with extra laces, but they don't. I don't think I even showed off the insole right here, but the insole does have more of the brown, and then the text has Nike Air in that black right there. And these are, yeah, these are super, super nice. So do let me know, guys, what you think about the Air Jordan 4 Cavestone. I'm gonna go ahead and cut away to an on-feet review. Before I go ahead and want to give you guys a closer perspective. That way, you know, with these already being a whole month out, you have some time to go ahead and make your decision if you want to go ahead and get these. But I feel like a lot of people are going to like these. So let's get a closer perspective right now. Let's go. Here we go right here, guys. We got the Air Jordan 4 in the Cavestone colorway, and this is a nice one. This is definitely, for me at least, going in the top 5 for Air Jordan 4s for this year. And man, they've just been coming out with so many different colorways, so many different creativities. I mean, this is one for sure for a regular GR. It's looking really good. I'm hearing that stock is going to be healthy on these too. So, you know, if you put your footwork in, it shouldn't be hard to grab these at all. However, though, I feel like a colorway like this, people aren't going to play around for. But then again, with the way shoes have kind of been, you just never know. They could go ahead and sell out, and they might do, like, you know, a restock on them, and you just never know. But do let me know what we think about the Air Jordan 4 in the Cavestone colorway, guys. All right, guys, so this has been the review of the Air Jordan 4 Cavestone. Let me know what you think about these. Again, release date on these is going to be September 6th. If they do go ahead and decide to go ahead and change it up, I will keep you guys updated. But for me, these are definitely a go. And I would even say these are double up worthy in my opinion. Double up worthy. They did a really good job on the Nike Air. I like that a lot. I think the bottom of these look really nice too. The colorway looks really nice. They did an absolute great job with these. And because of that, the kid definitely wants another pair for sure. So do let me know what you guys think about them, guys. I really greatly appreciate all the love and support that you show. It means a lot to me. Remember, there's only ever gonna be one you. Be the best you. Tap in with the channel. Greatly appreciate the love and support that you show. Road to 10K is on the way this year, and we are gonna get there. And until next time, guys, I will catch you in the next video. Enjoy the on feet right now, guys. Peace.
Gems with the heat.